Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be interlocking my mother's hair, and the first clip was a pic of her one side done, and this is a side that's undone. So guys, starting off at the front, the first thing I do is I grab a section and I make sure that I wrap the straight hair around the twist, like I make a two-strand twist, and then I go in with some lock gel and pretty much just roll it down, and then I go in with the crochet needle, and I start from south to north, and then I go east to west, west to east, and north to south. And on how much new growth you have, then you'll know how many times to loop the crochet needle through. So yes, when I get a better handle, which I definitely will do, I will explain again and I'll show you guys how I use a crochet needle. That's in case you don't know how to use a crochet needle. So yes, stay tuned, just keep on watching. I promise you it's not hard, and if you practice you'll get it. For my mom, she had a good amount of new growth, so I lap it, some of them 4 to 5 times. So as I said, it all depends on how much growth you have, and yeah. Apples, you'll realize that you see a mixture of the front portion of hair and back section because I put some of the back footage at the front of the video just because they had better angles. Another breakdown. So I first section the hair, put a little locking gel on it, twist the straight hair around the lock. Then I take a tad bit more of gel and palm roll the lock in my hands. Then I go in with the crochet needle from south to north, and you want to put the lock inside the hook, then close the lock and pull it through. Then I go east to west and lock the hook, pull through. Then I'm gonna go west to east, then south to north again.
me liquor. Girls them a come, them I want them I take her. Batman me I come in me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them I want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I want. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Baby make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Girls them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go. See them be hating.
This is a comparison of more than half of the hair done versus the little patch at the back that's not done. I bet you can see the difference. Look, take a good look. There's a huge difference. It's neater, well groomed. I zoomed in most of the footages just because I want you guys to see clearly what I'm doing.
Just like a moth trying to flame. Oh, you let me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I've sown. I'm not seeing that on my own. Till I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling to my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.
So this is the footage of it all done. Pretty cute, pretty neat. And if you missed the video where I dye her hair, I'll leave it up in the iCards, or it will be the first video down in the description box. And guys, until my next video, one love.